Alright everybody, welcome to the biggest fire alarm unboxing on YouTube. By the end of this video you will see me unbox almost 1,000 fire alarm devices. I cannot wait to open all these and see what devices I can add to my collection or sell on my eBay store. So let's get started. An Edwards 278 SIGA. This looks like it was once conventional or once addressable and converted into conventional. Alright, cool. Yep, here's the monitor module that was on the back of these. Alright, next it looks like we have a simplex smoke detector. This looks like it's addressable. Yep, Notifier FST-751. Here's a conventional Fire-Lite BG10, nice and standard. Right here we have an Edwards 194 fixed and rate of rise heat detector. It also has an EST addressable module on the back. This right here is a Gentex GX90S-4-1575 WW. Here's another one of these, but it's also the strobe only version in white. Right here we have a Gentex SHG. I've never had one of these in my collection and I'm glad I do now. Right here we have an EST Genesis temporal horn strobe. These are really cool. This is something I've wanted for a long time. It's a key operated only simplex T-bar. And here's another variation of it. Instead of a black cover, it has a red cover though. Isn't that really cool? I think that's really cool. This right here is a Notifier NBG1. This right here is a Gentex mini horn. Here's another one of those EST pull stations, but what's cool about this is it's single action. Here's a Gentex Commander 3 strobe. Here's another Gentex Commander 3, and this one's a horn strobe. Right here we have a SpectraLert Classic remote strobe. And here's a System Sensor SpectraLert Classic horn strobe. This right here is a Notifier NBG12LX. This right here is a System Sensor PA400R mini horn. Right here is a Wheelock AS. This right here is either a Gentex Commander 1 or Gentex Commander 2, I'm not sure. But these are definitely an earlier generation of the Commander 3, which I do not have one of these in my collection yet, so that'll be pretty cool to add. Yes, this right here is a System Sensor Ceiling Mount SpectraLert Advance. I've always wanted one of these in my collection, and now I have one. Here's another one, but this is a strobe and not a horn strobe. This right here is a System Sensor H12/24K. Well, here it is. These are all the devices that are in the first box alone. And I can't wait to open up the next couple of boxes. Here we go. Looks like in this box we have some more of these EST pull stations. And it looks like we have a couple more of these Notifier pull stations as well. And something I've been needing for my new system, a Fire-Lite BG12LX. Hooray! Oh, interesting. This one right here is actually made by Wheelock. And compare and contrast the differences. Isn't that kind of cool? And looks like we have a ton more EST Genesis strobes and horn strobes. Now this is something I've been wanting for a long time, a System Sensor SpectraLert Advanced horn strobe. I have a horn version, I have the strobe version, and I have the L series, but I don't have a plain and simple horn strobe. And it's also cool to get one of these in white too. Right here, this is a Wheelock RSS. Notice these two mini horns, one of them is the same thing but in white, and the other one is the same thing but in red. That's kind of cool. But on the sides it has fire letterings. I've never seen that before. Most of them are just blank. And then something I've wanted for a long time, not the Integrity, I already have one, but the Integrity mounting bracket. I don't have an Integrity mounting bracket and now I do. And this is all the alarms I unboxed in this unboxing. Some pretty cool stuff there. Alright, let's get to the next box. Looks like right off the bat we have some more Notifier NBG12LXs. Alright, and this was everything in this box. Got a lot of goodies here. And let's move on to the next box. Some more System Sensor SpectraLerts. Alright, it looks like we have some smoke detectors and heat detectors by Fire-Lite and Notifier here. This right here is a simplex heat detector. The model is 498-9789, and this is great because if I ever get an addressable simplex panel, which I probably will in the future, I can now use this. Right here we got a Wheelock NS. These are really nice. This is an NS-24 4098-9714 addressable simplex smoke detectors. These are really nice if I ever get an addressable simplex panel, which I probably will in the future, hint hint. Right here we've got a Siemens UMMT with the fire lettering on the side. This will be a cool device to add to my collection. Here's another cool thing. We have a Simplex 49069127 True Alert. Now here's something I didn't expect to see in this box. It's an AMSI-CO Select-A-Horn fire alarm. I have a Mercom one of these in my collection, but I don't have an AMSI-CO one, so that'd be cool to keep. Now here's something that's also kind of cool. It's another Siemens strobe. It's kind of like the UMMT, but strobe version. I don't have this in my collection, so it's cool to add this. Here is a Wheelock MIZ-24. I've never had one of these. And there is everything. Wow. That is a ton of fire alarms. I think this box was definitely the best one out of all 4 of them. So these are all the devices I'm going to be keeping for my personal collection, either because I don't have it, I really want it, or a combination of both. Or I can use it on my addressable system. As for the rest of them, well, we got some stored up in boxes there. We have some in boxes there. I have some parts laying there. Some in boxes there. There. These are all the NBG-12 LXs and the NBG-1s. Here's all those Gentex alarms and strobes. BG-10s. Spectre alerts. EST Genesises. And yeah, if you want any of these, I'm going to be selling them in small lots and in individual listings. I'll be selling these at very generous overstock prices. So if you want any of these, go check out the link in the description. They will be on my eBay store. Alright everybody, that was the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.